my xinglehong 9125. Oh, look, a package inside of a package. Go figure, right? Package inside a package inside another package. Now, it's key to remember the importance of lubing your gears when you put them back in. So today, we will be reassembling my awesome xinglehong 9125. It's exactly where it sits. It's exactly how it works. Now that's nice and smooth right there.
It's the one big sale at Stage Stores. Starting Thursday, save an extra 50% on select. And just in time for Dad's Day, buy one get two free men's apparel and take 25% off select Nike. Our Stage community of stores, where saving big is always in style. This is us. We're in this
Servo cap to hold it in place.
because we all share so much.
Then refer back to the manual.
You give us your trust. And we work hard every day to earn that trust. So we can give back to you in every way.
Servo cap takes 2 small screws.
Very good things
2 small screws. So therefore, we get our plate and button. 2 small screws. These are flat caps. Almost certain we don't need flat caps. Here we go. Round head short screw. There's one. There's a second one. Alright, a little boo-boo dropped it. That's why you always have the magnetic tool. This makes life simpler, especially when you gotta work on these.
Stage Stores One Big Sale makes it super easy to surprise Dad with great savings on Father's Day gifts.
Alright, now you cut it, now you turn it off. So, what we do next after we done screwed the steering servo in is we would get ready to place our ESC and dual brushed motors.
Remove the letters A, B, and O from their brands because those are the blood types. And people look at that and say, well, what's going on? Why aren't those letters there? And it brings their attention to the need that if those letters are missing, that blood, if it's missing from the shelves, it makes a huge difference. It catches attention with those iconic brands being willing to take those oh yeah, there is a need for blood. If those, blood types are missing from the shelves, people will die. Absolutely. All right, so let's talk about tomorrow, because General is always fun. We've been doing it for a long time. You can see some of the missing types right there on your screen. 2 locations.
All right, so
One in Huntington.
you're having trouble seating it. So what we can do is take it, flip it, house it in the top housing first.
And of course, in Charleston and Huntington, having those locations at the Marshall Rec Center from noon to 6, and then at the Holiday Inn Express near the Civic Center in Charleston, noon to 6.
House them in their own housing at the top. And then you can take it, bring all your wires forward.
Into drawings like the New Kids on the Block.
Then place it. See how snug everything just became? Everything is flush. Bring it forward, snap it all together, and that's that. So what we do now, once we have it placed, it's not screwed on just yet. We go ahead and plug in a battery, turn on our ESC, grab our remote, make sure we connect everything perfectly, and check our drive shaft. Our drive shaft seems to be operational. Alright. So at this point, we'll take our front plate and place it properly and snugly right at the front of the unit, exactly where it goes. At this point, we'll take these, push them to the side, take our battery housing tray, and bring up our power cord, the Dean's connecting cord, bring it up, take our battery housing down. Hear that how it snapped in? Very satisfying to know when you do something proper that it just all comes together. Alright, so at this point, nothing left to do but to lay long screws. Well, not long screws. These screws here are for the A-arms to hold them onto the body. But these long screws with 5-liter and 6.2-liter gas engines. These pickups are being recalled for a second time after a software update that will repair the transmissions from suddenly downshifting into first gear. You take it back out.
An environmental advocacy group says
set it in the plate.
breakfast foods have
Open up your manual.
They have Roundup in them. Cheerios and Nature Valley products
So you can see
are among the environmental working groups.
every screw and where it goes right here in the manual.
Glyphosate. Experts believe the controversial herbicide causes cancer.
Alright, so this plate takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 long screws. 6. 6. Not 7, 6. Alright, so after trial and error, we have the truck back and working properly. I just took it on a test run to make sure that it worked, and well, it did, obviously. Alright guys, seems to be working properly. We've got it set up, works backwards and forwards. I've got it high now, so Let's give her a little bit of a drive. See what she does. Alright, that's a little bit of enough bashing for it right now. The weather out here is not the greatest for bashing, and I don't want to risk tearing it up any more than what it is. So, yeah, it's back together and works perfectly.